It is so hard to be a man today. Just wait until you have a family to take care of. No thanks, man. I'm keeping my carbon footprint small. Gotta lock down this toxic masculinity. But it's hard to make a real difference with my white privilege in this rape culture.
Where do you want these at, buddy?
Important.
It really is, you know. I'm stretched, by the way.
Oh, my bad, guys. I'm terribly sorry.
He's very busy. What do you call it?
What did you not allow to use?
Happy Halloween. Well, that's a man for you. Alright guys, if you're wondering what this tool was actually used for, this is a dehorner. So this is what they would use to take horns off of like dairy cows. I don't know if you know this, but cows can have horns, or do have horns. They're dehorned at a young age. So that's what this is for. So when you see Betsy the cow on the side of your milk jug, you'll notice she has horns. Anyway, I thought that would be kind of fun to just restore something real quick and easy and get it out. Now this thing can go back in rotation in the museum, It's a little too sharp for people to play with, but we'll figure out a spot for it somewhere. But it's just so cool, right? Ah, how French is that? Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. Okay, so which one do you think's stronger?
Mr. Incredible.
Mr. Incredible, why?
Because he has more muscle.
Oh, he has more muscles. This guy's pretty tall. You like him better, though, right? What do you think he would sound like when he talks?
I don't know.
Like, make a voice. Make a Mr. Incredible voice.
Hello.
Make Ken's voice. Try.
Hello.
That's about what I thought.